Welcome to our chocolate factory. Today, I will show how chocolate bars are made from raw cocoa beans to final packaging.
First, raw cocoa beans arrive here at the factory, where they are checked for quality before processing begins.
The beans are roasted to bring out flavor and aroma. This is what gives chocolate its rich taste.
After roasting, the beans are cracked open and separated into cocoa nibs, the pure core of chocolate. In these massive vats, the ingredients are blended into a rich, liquid chocolate base.
Every parameter, from temperature to texture, is controlled for perfect consistency.
Now the chocolate travels through insulated pipelines to the next stage, tempering.
Tempering gives chocolate its shine, snap, and smooth texture.
Precision robotics fill every mold, ensuring uniform shape and structure.
Once cooled, the bars enter the wrapping line.
Foil, branding, and labels are added vestal. This is where each bar gets its identity.
Every bar is inspected for quality before shipping.
Finally, the finished bars are packaged and shipped across the world.
And that's how chocolate bars are made, from bean to bar. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more factory tours.